Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Nissan X-Trail ST, stock reference number 5333. The shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2013. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage, less the window. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts and brackets and loom. Tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent, right front door has one small dent, and the right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has an automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.